penalty has officially been abolished in the state of Washington. Today, Governor Jay Inslee signed Senate Bill 5087, removing the death penalty statute from state law. As a result, the sentences of everyone currently on death row are now converted to life without the possibility of parole. Back in 2018, the Washington Supreme Court ruled the state's use of the death penalty was unconstitutional. In addition to the death penalty, the bill also removes other laws ruled unconstitutional or invalid, including a law allowing judges to order people to be sterilized and one that requires public employees to sign anti-communist pledges. Oregon has had a moratorium on executions since 2011.